This is the Hwacheon model HL 580, 2 metre between centre lathe. See the machine's in very good condition. Speeds from 28 to 1350 RPM, and we've got it set up at the moment doing 1350 RPM, and here it's very quiet running in the spindle. It's fitted with Fagor 2-way digital readout, the long and cross axes. We've got a good size Italian Allegro quick change tool post fitted, and there's 10 quick change holders that go with that. 2-speed tailstock, number 5 Morse taper on the quill. You can see the cross feed here engaged, and likewise you can see up here on the digital readout axis ticking over. Now we can see here the saddle moving back towards the headstock, and I can see our readings there. And 77mm diameter hollow spindle. Safety interlock on the on both the pull down chuck guard and also on the gear train entry door. Very nice machine.